Hey everyone, welcome to the next video of the difference between Java and Python. We have seen some differences in the earlier video. This is the continuation of the previous part. In the previous session, we have seen the collection methods of Java. In this video, we are going to compare the methods for collection for list, set, and map for Java and Python. We've already seen that list is ordered and it allows duplicates. How do we create list in Java? So we create a variable, the name of the list, and then new array list with a round bracket. And the list can have a string or it can have an object. In Python, the way we create the list is equal to just square brackets. How do we add the elements? In Java, we add it like list.add and whatever element we need to add. So we are adding a here. In Python, we have the method .append to add any element. To add an element at any particular index in Java, we use .add method with the element with the index like 1. So it'll start with 0, then 1. So the first index, if we want to add the element b, this will be the way it will be added. In Python, instead of add, we have an insert method. So insert the element b at the particular index 1. To get an element in Java, we use get method. Get the element at the 0th index. In Python, we do not have anything as get. It is directly at the 0th element. If we want to get the element, it is lst0. Replacing an element in Java is setting the element at that particular index with whichever element we want. Like in this case, we are setting the 0th index with the element c. In Python, it's lst0 is equal to c. We are not using any set method. Also, for getting the element, we are not using the get method. So get and replace is done by .get and .set in Java, but directly in Python. Remove by value. List.remove a. lst.remove a. So we have the remove method, same in Java and Python. Remove by index, list.remove at that particular index. In Python, it is lst.pop. So just make a note that in Python, instead of add, we have append. At a particular index we want to add, you use insert. We do not have anything as get and set in Python. Remove is similar, like removing a particular element, the method is similar, but when we want to remove at a particular index, we use pop. And list.size is used for checking the size of the list. In Java, it is len, length. So we know that list allows duplicate. It's ordered both in Python and Java. Let us take an example as how to create a list in both Java and Python. So if we want to create a list in Java, we mention the name of the list, that is equal to new array list. But before that, we also mention array list, the object, it is string here, is equal to new array list, and then these brackets. For adding the elements into the list, we use the method .add. So we are talking about Java here. So we use the method add, and since it allows duplicate, we can add the element twice. So Chrome is added twice here, it would not give any error. In Python, the way we create the list is directly. We mention the name of the list and then we add the values in square brackets. Now let us see the difference in set for Java and Python. So we have already seen about set that set is not ordered, so it would not have any index whenever we have the methods, and it would also not allow any duplicates. It will give an error. It will say false if we try to insert any duplicate element. For creating a set in Java, we mention the name of the set. Set string is equal to new. So here we are creating a hash set. So set is equal to new hash set. In Python, how the set is created is we mention the variable is equal to set. Adding elements. To add the elements in the set, we use set.add e in Java. In Python, it is st.add the particular variable. So it's both same in Java and Python. For removing the element, so note down here we are not using any index. Removing is set.remove the variable in Java and same in Python. Check contains. To check if a particular element is present in the particular set. Set.contains a in Java, and in Python is straightforward, a in st, where st is the name of the set. Clear all, set.clear in Java, same in Python as well. Size, set.size, and in Python we always use length, len, the particular set. So set does not allow any duplicates both in Java, Python, as well it is not ordered. So unordered, no duplicates and no index. Let's see how we declare the set in Java and in Python. In Java, when we want to declare any set, we'll mention the name of the set. Like here, it is mentioned as browsers. We are creating hash set. Set string, the name of the set, is equal to new hash set. And in order to add any elements, we use the .add method. Here we are trying to add Chrome twice, but since set does not allow duplicates, this will give an error. It will actually be ignored. In Python, directly for creating the set, we are mentioning the name of the set instead of any declaration. Is set string is equal to new hash set. So browser is equal to, we are adding a duplicate elements Chrome, and since set would not allow duplicates in Python as well, this will be ignored. So Chrome will only be added once. When we talk about map, map is always a key value pair, and we will have unique keys in map. In order to create a map in Java, a hash map, suppose I'm creating a hash map, so map is equal to new hash map, and we have to mention, so since this is a key value pair, we have to mention map and string. So since both our keys and values are string, like in this case user and admin, both are strings, so we are using the string data type. In Python, it is directly MP is equal to whatever, curly braces. For adding anything in the map, we use the put method in Java. So if we want to put two strings with user and admin, we use this format, map.put user and admin in double quotes. If we want to do the same thing in Python, we use mpuser is equal to admin. So user we want to mention as admin. Look at the difference in the way we are showing that in writing that in Java and Python. So here we are directly in Python assigning the value for user as admin. In Java we are putting that user as admin with a comma in between. Getting the value map.get particular user in Java, it's the same way in Python. Removing the key map.remove user, in Python it's pop, same as we saw in set. Check key. If we want to check in that particular map if a particular key is present, so here this user was a key and admin was a value. If we want to check if a particular key is present in the particular map, we use map.contains method contains key, because we want to check the key. And which key? The user key. User in map is the statement which is written in Python directly. Size, map.size, and in Python we always use length, len, instead of complete length. Duplicate keys, they are not allowed in Java and Python. They are always unique. Now let us summarize what we had seen for the list, set and map. The array list stores elements, set stores unique elements, and map or dictionary stores key value pairs. Array list or list is indexed base. It allows duplicates and ordered data. Set does not allow indexed data. Indexed base, it is not index based, so none of the methods have index. It does not even allow any duplicates, and it will always have unique data. In terms of map or dictionary, we do not have anything as indexed base. It also do not have any duplicates, but only duplicate keys it won't allow. And this is used for faster lookup. So quickly we can find the values by giving the keys. So everything has a specific purpose. The list, set and map. List is for ordered data, set is for unique data, and map is for fast lookup. Thanks everyone for watching this video. We'll meet you shortly in the next one.